Ciao guys, Sylwia here and welcome all to my Launch Jacker AI review, the newest launch from Dave Espino and Anil Krishna. It is going live today on the 15th of June at 10 a.m. New York time, and you will find my written review down below in the description box. Go check it out. So this is the one you're looking at right now. Okay, so the members area is right here. I'll show you around. I've checked everything inside out. There's quite a lot of, but I love how nicely structured it is. And I mean, the funnel is super congruent with the front end. So here are the upgrades. Okay. So you will find full information about the funnel on my written review, this one right here. So let's just scroll through it. So the front end is $17. So the front end is the education around what launch jacking is all about. So launch jacking is something I do, to be exact, to be precise. Okay. And the, different ways of bringing traffic to the launches. So if we go to platforms like Munchai, let me show you what I mean. So, they'll be also working with Munchai, showing you, what are the upcoming launches. So this is like, I'm pretty sure you know it. But just in case you don't, let me tell you, this is like a launch calendar, and you will have all kinds of launches, like all launches, and to the left are the big launches. So mainly products from Warrior Plus and JVZoo. Okay, I would say 70% of them would be Warrior Plus. I hope the noise is not too disturbing for you guys that are doing some road works outside. To me, it's loud, so I hope it's not too disturbing for you. I'm not sure how much of the noise my mic is picking up. The background noise. So yes, and I show you how to, go about getting approved, what launches how to get organized, because this is the key. Okay. Like, for example, I use Google Calendar for my launches. You see, like I have them all, but they give you, a spreadsheet, like an Excel spreadsheet to gather the information. It's beautifully organized. So you have the whole blueprint for launch jacking. So you would they show you how to create a page review. You will have a lot of free AI tools to do that. There will be a few upsells that will provide you with the tools for putting together those review pages, hosting them. You will have various ways of, having the pages hosted either on their domain or your own domain. I love how they actually teach you how to connect it with your WordPress. Should you just wish to get the HTML code and, have it hosted on your WordPress website, how to get a cheap domain from Namecheap, even, hosting your pages on Netlify or GitHub. So they cover it all. I was quite impressed, okay, as to the depth of the training, but at the same time, it's very much to the point. So there's no like fluff, nicely organized. So I really appreciate the structure of it. I'll show you what's inside. Let me just finish with my written review. So front end bump offer $12.95, OTO number 1. So these will be some AI software products, okay, for building and hosting your review pages. So it's something additional you may want to pick up. Okay, my bonuses. I talk a lot about how to create bonuses, how to stand out as an affiliate, okay, and the traffic sources. I give you a lot of extra information that will help you bring eyeballs to your pages. I've been doing this for over 5 years myself, so it's really up to you also what source of traffic you pick. I mainly focus on YouTube, but then of course I do written reviews as well, which rank, as we know, as written content. I use also platforms like LinkedIn. I repurpose my YouTube reviews. I use Reddit. What else do I use? Oh, I share it on Facebook, even though I don't really count on Facebook much. LinkedIn is a good source of traffic. Reddit as well. Okay, if you go into the right subreddits. So yeah, I share with you the hidden traffic sources. So the hidden traffic vault in this bonus. Actually, the first bonus here, I give you 5 bonuses. This is a book I sell on Amazon. So it is a book, is a, very, it's value packed. It's a comprehensive bonus. Right. Let's jump into the members area and I'll show you what you will guys find here. So, and by the way, if you want to check out the product, go through my review, click on get the best price or buy now. That will redirect you to the sales page. Here is Dave Espino talking about, the method of launch jacking, because there is a lot of hype around upcoming launches. Okay. And if you do it at the right time, you can siphon the traffic. If you post earlier and if your pages get indexed, in Google search and all of that, if it's done the right way, it can bring you a lot of traffic. So yeah, they do share the strategy here. So that's the sales page. You've got all listed, all of these tools are actually, you will find them. I kind of initially struggled to find them because I just check out these here to these modules, but there is so much more. I was like, Dave, where are I was texting with Dave Espino. Yeah. Wow. All of the 11, free tools you're talking about on the sales page. And Dave was just scroll down. Okay. Maybe it's a bit tricky to navigate. Maybe they could put it here on the top or something, but I mean, that's kind of self-explanatory. It's just my silliness. I was just, I guess I had a bit of a brain fog or something. So yeah, just scroll down and you'll get all of the templates, the bonus stack formula, the launch keyword cheat sheet, 7-day launch checklist, all of the AI tools, the free tools within the front end alone. You get a lot of, you see all of these tools like Instagram caption or whatever. I mean, a lot of tools that they do talk about on the sales page. So I'm not going to take too much of your time, guys, opening every single of the links, because my review would be 1 hour long. Let me just go back. So yeah, but I open up, okay, these modules further up. Okay. So the launch jacker AI method. This is like an intro video from Dave Espino. Okay. The rest of the videos in which Anil Krishna discusses the upgrades. But before that, they would also go through what the launch jacking is all about, how to find the upcoming launches. And there are videos, around them as well. So, they pretty much take you by your hand and explain the method, how to get approved. You will have the templates again. And there was this template here. Let me open it up for you, that I really like. Okay, download the launch tracker. So here you can, you see approval scripts, the vendors they recommend, the launch tracker. So you can either use this one or just use Google Calendar. I find it easier to use Google Calendar, but there are many ways to go around it. The point is get organized, have it all, nicely structured. So you can then, follow up and be consistent, because consistency is really the name of the game here. There's no magic to it. You just have to be consistent. Okay. The site engine demo is one. So I think I appreciate the fact, that you get access to the tutorials about the upsells. I mean, yeah, of course it's smart of them, because it is smart, and I appreciate it. As marketers, we should be smart. And they show you the tools they sell as upsells, but the tools are very helpful and congruent with the front end. So I do appreciate that they, took the time to show how the tools work. So you can see what's in them, how they work, what's in those upsells, how they work, and then decide whether you want to invest in those upsells or not. But, very good apps. Okay. The elite site demo as well. Hold on. This is how to write the review pages, the content engine demo. Okay. This is another module here. launch week execution. So it's sort of like a template how to get things done. So the order of things, link engine. This is another upsell. Okay, they're showing you here how this app works to pretty much pretty up your links. It's like a link cloaker, but beyond that. And the last module here is scaling to 4-8 launches a month. So they also say don't just jump on every single launch up there, out there, not up there, out there from Munch Eye. You need to do some research. Okay, after a while you will figure out what vendors you choose to support as well. Okay, don't support everyone. There are all kinds of vendors on Warrior Plus. Not all of them show up for the clients. Okay, maybe the support sucks, if you may, or they just launch something and move on to the next one and just totally forget and abandon the previous launch. And I'm specifically referring to software launches, products, okay, that they stop maintaining and that they don't fix stuff, issues, the clients would complain about and things like that. So yeah, it will take some time to figure out what vendors you want to support, but it's normal. It's just part of the business, And then again, you have the JV approval templates here, bonus tag formula, launch keyword cheat sheet. Yeah, what keywords to target when you write those reviews, right? 7-day launch checklist, AI Jacket tools. Okay, so the platforms you would work with, and these are the paid tiers. So again, upsells that you will have listed on my review. So helpful tools, again, that will help you implement this method. Okay, the front end will teach you how to do it, and we'll give you some helpful AI tools as well here within this bonus and tools. And all of these are like AI text rewriter, AI email writer, ad copy generator, landing page copy, product description. So let me just open up one of them. You see, and boom, you fill it in, generate landing page copy. So then you can host it wherever you choose to. You don't have to buy the tools from them. If you have your own WordPress website, do the review pages your way. Alrighty. So again, guys, if that sounds like, if that sounds like a product for you and you want my bonuses, grab it from me. And if you wish, then the link to the written review is down below in the description box. If you click through by now, then you will land on the sales page. My testimonial should be on it somewhere. I just shared it with Dave, so you may find it once the product goes live. It should be already up there. Okay, I just shared it with Dave, so he's probably still sleeping. He's in the US, I'm in the UK, on the other side of the pond. All right, well, guys, keep rocking, be good, stay cool, and see you very soon in my next video. All right, bye bye.